What's going on, everyone? Got the 2012 F250 in the shop today. Going to be installing some Amazon body mounts. We did the body mounts back in 2017, I think. So in roughly 50,000 miles ago, installed Dorman factory replacement mounts. And they've been wore out now for over a year. So I'm going to just go with the polyurethane Amazon mounts. A little bit concerned with the polyurethane body mounts giving a rough ride, but seeing how the mounts are completely wore out and it's got the body beating against the frame, it's probably not going to be much worse. So for anybody that has one of these 99 up Super Duties, 99 through 16, if you have a thunk that you can't figure out where it's at, like when you're pulling into an uneven parking lot and things, come down here and look at your body mounts, because they're foam. And if you look, that metal cup is sitting directly on the standoff from the frame. So that's what happens when the old foam body mounts break down. And we just don't want to change them again because it's a pain in the butt. That's why we're going with the polyurethane. So when you are replacing your body mounts, never use an impact, because you'll break the cage nut that's up in the body. I'm already concerned about this one because this one fought us really hard the last time we did it. So I want to see if I can figure out where the pocket is on the back side and get it sprayed with penetrating oil and maybe get any dirt and grime that's in that pocket that might have caused the issue. So I just got all the bolts out of, say right now, the passenger side. Got the driver's side bolts backed out, probably with about an inch gap. And I've got a wooden block on my floor jack, and I got a little peg whittled out on the top. I want to put it in that pocket on the body and lift it up just enough to get the mounts out. I put the peg on the block to hopefully make it less likely that it's going to slip out and smash one of my fingers with the body between the frame. So the kit stated some small percentage of trucks, the center mount is shorter, so to reuse your original, which is the rubber mount. So I had to reuse the rubber mount on both sides on the center. But we got the new mounts in. Took roughly maybe an hour and a half max, and that's what trying to figure out the instructions and positioning the jack and everything. So wasn't a horrible project. Here are the old mounts pulled out. As you can see, these were that front passenger side corner where they were collapsed the most. The foam was gone. I guess there's a plastic insert here for that oblong piece, and it's kind of coming apart. But you can see where it's compressed to the point where that metal was sitting flat on those perches coming off the side of the frame. The factory ones were kind of a red foam, and they actually just deteriorated and completely fell out. But hopefully that's a thing of the past. Appreciate you watching.